નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Hello students, this is part 16 of chapter 6. Be my multiple, I will be your factor of standard 5th mathematics. By this time we are discussing the timing problems, isn't it? And in the last part also we discussed one of the problem. But have you marked that? See, if you know the multiples and factor, then you can solve many problems or many questions around us. And that is why also you should know the tables. Okay? And I hope you must have completed the tables in which the way I am asking you to do. I ask you to do or recite the table in two ways, isn't it? First of all, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 2 3s are something like that. Then after 1 2 3 4, and here there will be 2 3 7. In two way I ask you to go for the tables up to 30 or 20. Means from 1 to 20. Okay, suppose 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, like that 2 20s are 40. up to 40 आपको करना है और इस तरीके से आपने वो टेबल्स कंप्लीट किए होंगे. आई होप सो. नाउ लेट्स सी द सेकंड क्वेश्चन, दैट इज मनोज हाउस. ओके, एंड इट इज ऑन द पेज नंबर 98. It is on the page number 98. So open your page 98. Okay, and now let's discuss that. See, Manoj has made a new house. Let's read from here. Manoj has made a new house. He wants to lay tiles on the floor. नया हाउस बनाया है, on the floor he wants to lay tiles. वो जो टाइल्स है उसको फिट करना चाहता है. The size of the room is 9 feet multiplied by 9 feet by 12 feet. The size of the room is 9 feet by 12 feet. Okay. In the market, there are 3 kinds of square tiles. 1 foot multiplied by 1 foot, 2 feet multiplied by 2 feet, मतलब 2 by 2 feet, 3 by 3 feet. Which size of the tile should be by for his room so that he can lay it without cutting? अब देखो 2-3 बातें हैं. पहला हम ये सोचते हैं कि the size of the room is what? 9 feet by 12 feet. ओके, ये पता चल गया कि भाई जो रूम है उसकी साइज 9 फीट बाई 12 फीट है. अब जो मार्केट में टाइल्स मिल रही है उसकी साइज, सी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एवरी टाइल्स आर स्क्वायर टाइल्स. व्हाई? बिकॉज सी दिस इज 1 by 1 foot, दिस इज 2 by 2 feet एंड द अदर इज 3 by 3 feet. तो मार्केट में ये 3 साइज की टाइल्स अवेलेबल है. अब हमारे पास क्या है, उसको वही टाइल फिट करनी है उसमें जो कि कट ना करनी पड़े. उसकी एक ही शर्त है, क्या कि ही वो डोंट वांट टू कट द टाइल्स, सो दैट ही कैन लेट. सो व्हिच साइज ऑफ द टाइल शुड बी बाय फॉर हिज रूम सो दैट ही कैन ले इट विदाउट कटिंग. तो हमें कौन सी साइज की टाइल पास करनी है या तो बाय करनी है, सो दैट के द टाइल वी डू नॉट हैव टू कट इट. फॉर दैट once again you should know the multiples of what is the size of the room, multiples of 9 or 12. If you know the multiple of 9 and 12, then and then you can solve this problem. So let's write the multiples of 12 first of all. So what are the multiples of 12? always, like I am telling you, 1 is there. Is it possible to divide 12 by 2? Yes. Is it possible to divide 12 by 3? Yes. Actually, now you should know all the multiples of 12. 4 is there, 6 is there, and 12 itself. Okay. So these are the multiples of 12. Now let's write the multiples of 9. So which are the multiples of 9? That is 1. Is it possible to divide 9 by 12? Sorry. Is it possible to divide 9 by 2? 9 को हम 2 से डिवाइड कर सकते हैं? Actually no. So here 2 is not a multiple. Okay. Remember well. 2 is not a multiple of 9. Then 3. Yeah. 4, 5, 6. No. Then last one is 9 itself. So multiple of 9 is 1, 3, 9. Now let's see the common multiple of 12 and 9. See, 1 and 1 is common multiple to both, and 3 and 3 is common multiple, isn't it? So now you get the idea. Now you got the idea. Look in the size of 1, 1. Look the size of the see, the size of this square tiles is 1 feet by 1 feet, isn't it? The another is 2 feet by 2 feet, and the other third size of the tiles 3 by 3 feet. Now can you find 2 by 2 in this one? You found 1 by 1, isn't it? Why? Because 1 is common multiple to both, isn't it? Okay, you can see 3 by 3. 3 by 3 is there. But have you seen 2 by 2? 2. In 9, 2 is not a multiple, isn't it? So that we can say that we can lay the tiles of measure 1 by 1 or 3 by 3. We cannot go for the size 2 by 2 feet, isn't it? Why? Because 2 is not a multiple of 9, isn't it? So now let's answer this question. Okay, how to answer this question? I hope you must have got this idea. Okay, now let's answer this question. Say the size of the room. First of all, see what we are answering. The size of the room is 9 feet by 12 feet. But and the size of the square tiles available in the market are 1 by 1, 2 by 2, 3 by 3. But 2 is not a multiple of 9. That is why we should not buy the tiles 2 by 2. 1 by 1 and 3 by 3 will do. Okay. So like that we should answer. So I am writing the answer. You also, if you are writing in your book, then you also write this one. So let me write the size of the room. The size of the room is 9 feet by 12 feet. The size of the room is 9 feet by 12 feet. We cannot lay tiles. We cannot lay tiles of 2 by 2, 2 feet by 2 feet, 2 feet by 2 feet without cutting. we cannot lay tiles 2 feet by 2 feet without cutting. Okay, because 2 is not the factor. 2 is not the factor of 9. But 1 and 3 are the factors. 1 and 3 are the factors of both 9 and 12. 9 and 12. So he should buy. So he should buy square tiles measuring 1 foot by 1 foot, or 3 feet by 3 feet. Okay, so this should be the answer. Why? Because 2 is not a multiple of 9. That is why we should not buy the tiles measuring 2 feet by 2 feet. And एक दो चीजें और भी आप सीखिए. Suppose, see, if there is a measure something like of a room, of a tile, something like that, then we should not say 9 feet multiply by 9 feet. We should say, or we should speak 9 feet by 9 by 12 feet. You can say 9 by 12 feet, 9 feet by 12 feet, something like that we should say. Okay, in everywhere. So this should be the answer, and I hope you must have got the idea. And in the next part, we will go for the last of this one. Okay, so in the next part we will go for that. Till then, try to understand this question and solve it with yourself also, and write this answer with yourself and after understanding this problem, so that you will come to know whether you get this idea or not. Okay, so by this time, and we'll meet you in the next video. Thank you for joining us. Take care of yourselves, and we'll meet you in the next session. Thank you.